Hello guys, the jungle is full of strange and unexpected sounds. Some animals make noises you'd never imagine. Some beep, some scream, and some even talk. Today on Into the Wildscape, we're exploring 10 animals with the most unique and bizarre sounds. Lyrebird, the nature's DJ. Imagine walking in the forest, and suddenly you hear a chainsaw. But there's no one around. That's the lyrebird, a master mimic that can copy anything, from camera clicks to car alarms. Kakapo, the booming parrot. Meet the kakapo, a rare flightless parrot that sounds like a bass speaker. Males make this deep boom to attract females. It's nature's version of a bass drop. American bittern, the water droplet bird. This bird's call sounds like someone dropping water into a pond. It's a genius trick to blend into the wetlands and avoid predators. Desert rain frog, the squeaky toy. This tiny frog looks grumpy but sounds hilarious. It squeaks like a rubber toy when it feels threatened. Adorable but totally unexpected. Beluga whale, the singing sea canary. Beluga whales love to sing underwater. Scientists even call them the sea canaries because of their musical sounds. Ocean karaoke, anyone? Screaming goat, the drama queen. You might have seen this one. Some goats scream like terrified humans, and honestly, it's both funny and slightly disturbing. Cheetah, the chirping big cat. Cheetahs don't roar like lions, they chirp like birds. They use these cute little chirps to call their cubs or communicate with friends.
Meow.
Barn owl, the horror movie bird. Forget the friendly hoot. Barn owls sound like something from a horror movie. Their terrifying screeches will send chills down your spine. Common loon, the haunting lake bird. This bird's call echoes across lakes like a ghostly whisper. If you ever hear this while camping, good luck sleeping. Musk duck, the talking duck. Yes, you heard that right. This Australian duck can actually learn words. One musk duck was recorded saying, "You bloody fool," the sassiest bird in the wild. Nature never fails to surprise us. Which of these animal sounds shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you love wild facts, hit that like button and subscribe to Into the Wildscape for more amazing wildlife content.